Hello, today we are going to start chapter number 8, एक गुड सिटीजन, एक अच्छा नागरिक। इससे पहले हम कुछ मीनिंग्स देख लेते हैं। CITIZEN सिटीजन, नागरिक। नंबर 2, TRIPPED ट्रिप्ड, ठोकर खा के गिरना या टक्के गिरना। नंबर 3, REDHANDED रेड हैंडेड, रंगे हाथ। नंबर 4, ORNAMENTS ऑर्नामेंट्स, गहने। नंबर 5, BRAVE ब्रेव, ब्रेव यानी बहादुर। ओके। Yesterday, Mrs. Sooth went to the market. She went there in the morning. She carried her umbrella with her. There was a bench in front of a jewelry shop. She sat on it. कल मिस्टर सूद मार्केट गई थी। वो मॉर्निंग में गई थी, अपने साथ अम्ब्रेला लेके गई थी और वो एक बेंच पर बैठ गई ज्वेलरी शॉप के आगे। A white car came and stopped in front of the shop. A man got out of the car. He had a cap on his head and a scarf round his face and neck. He was tall, thin, and carried a big bag. शॉप के सामने एक वाइट कार आके खड़ी हुई, उसमें से एक आदमी निकला। उसके सिर पर एक केप थी, स्कार्फ बंधा हुआ था उसके मुंह और फेस पे और नेक पे। वो लंबा था, पतला था और उसके साथ में एक बैग लेके आया था, बड़ा सा बैग लेके आया था। He threw a big stone at the window of the jewelry shop. The glass pane broke. The man quickly jumped in through the hole. He put a number of gold chains and bangles into his bag. Then he rushed toward his car. उसने एक बड़ा सा स्टोन लिया, पत्थर लिया और ज्वेलरी शॉप की विंडो पर फेंका। ग्लास पेन वो टूट गया और वो जो मैन है वो जल्दी से उस होल के थ्रू शॉप के अंदर चला गया। उसने बहुत सारे गोल्ड चेन और बैंगल्स अपने बैग में डाले, फिर वह अपने कार की तरफ भागा। मिस्टर सूद saw all this as the man came near the bench. She pushed her umbrella in front. The man tripped and fell. Thief, thief, shouted Mrs. Sooth. Just then a police van arrived. 2 policemen ran up and caught the thief red-handed. मिसेस सूद ने ये सब देखा और जैसे ही वह बेंच के पास आया, उसने अपनी अम्ब्रेला को उसके सामने पुश कर दिया और वह जो मैन था वह उसमें अटक कर गिर गया। मिसेस सूद थिफ थिफ करके चिल्लाई और जल्दी ही पुलिस की वैन वहाँ पहुँच गई। 2 पुलिसमैन उतरे और उसको पकड़ लिया, रंगे हाथों पकड़ लिया। Meanwhile, the shopkeeper also came along. The policeman told him the whole story. The shopkeeper collected his gold ornament. Then he went up to Mrs. Sooth. "Thank you, madam," he said. "You are brave and clever." Giving her a gold ring, he said, "This is my way to saying thank you to you." Mrs. Sooth smiled and thanked the shopkeeper, but she didn't take the gold ring. She said, "I am a good citizen, and a good citizen is not paid for being one." इस दौरान शॉपकीपर भी उनके पास आ गया। पुलिसमैन को सारी स्टोरी सुनाई। शॉपकीपर ने अपने सारे जो गहने थे सोने के वो इकट्ठे किए। फिर मिसेस सूद के पास गया, थैंक यू कहा मैम, उसने कहा कि थैंक यू मैम, आप बहुत ही बहादुर और चतुर हैं। उसने एक गोल्ड रिंग दी उसको और कहा कि यह मेरी तरफ से थैंक यू कहने का तरीका है। मिसिस सूद मुस्कुराती है और शॉपकीपर को थैंक कहती है, लेकिन वह गोल्ड रिंग नहीं लेती है। वह कहती है कि मैं एक अच्छी नागरिक हूँ और एक अच्छे नागरिक अपना जो पे अदा नहीं करते हैं, अपना वो नहीं लेते हैं। ओके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेयर डिड मिसिस सूद गो इन द मॉर्निंग? मॉर्निंग में मिसिस सूद कहाँ गई थी? मिसिस सूद वेंट टू द मार्केट इन द मॉर्निंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट डिड शी कैरी विथ हर? क्या लेके गई थी साथ में? मिसिस सूद कैरीड हर अम्ब्रेला विद हर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, वेयर वाज द बेंच? द बेंच वाज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द ज्वेलरी शॉप। Question 4, did Mrs. Sood sit there? Yes, Mrs. Sood sit there to a rest. Did Mrs. Sood sit there? Answer हो गया to a rest. Question 5, who got out of the car? Describe him. Answer, a man got out of the car. He had a cap on his head and a scarf round his face and neck. He was tall, thin and carried a big bag. Question number 6, what did the man throw at the window? The man threw a big stone at the window. Question 7, what was the window made of? Answer, the window was made of glass. Question 8, what did the man do inside the shop? Answer, inside the shop, the man put gold chains and bangles into his bag. Question 9, the man came near Mrs. Sood's bench. What did Mrs. Sood do? Answer, when the man came near Mrs. Sood's bench, she pushed her umbrella in front and the man tripped and fell. Question 10, who caught the thief? Answer, two policemen caught the thief with the help of Mrs. Sood. Question 11, what did the shopkeeper do first? What did he say to Mrs. Sood? Answer, first the shopkeeper collected his gold ornaments. Then he said that Mrs. Sood was brave and clever and offered her a gold ring. Question 12, what did he give her? Did Mrs. Sood take it? What did she say? Answer, he gave her a gold ring. Mrs. Sood did not take it. She said that she was a good citizen and she need not be paid for being one. Okay. Now look at the page number 102. Let's learn grammar. The simple past. Past यानी बीता हुआ कल. Read this sentence. The little boy jumped. The lady smiled. When we talk about things that happened in the past, we sometimes use ed jumped or d smiled at the end of doing word. Select suitable doing words from the verse and fill in the blanks. Number 1, we looked for your purse but couldn't find it. Number 2, many kings lived in fort and not in places. My friends played football yesterday. The train reached the station on time, but we were late. Our cat climbed a tree and couldn't come down. We walked to school in the rain. Okay. Use was or were in the blank. Yesterday was my birthday. It is evening. The children are in the playground in the morning. They were at school. The doctor is at home. Now in the morning he was at the hospital. Yesterday evening our teachers were in the playground. Fifth, we were in the playground too. It is afternoon now. Where were these people in the morning? In the morning, my mother was in office. In the morning, Raj was in the playground. In the morning, our dogs were in the house. In the morning, Seema was in the garden. In the morning, my cousins were in the park. In the morning, my father was in an aeroplane. Look at the page number 104. Let's use grammar. Select word from below and use them in place of the one of in green. Sweet shop, a village thief. Yesterday the policemen went to the market. They stopped their police jeep in front of a restaurant. They saw a cricketer coming out of the restaurant. They followed him in their jeep. देखिए इनको यूज़ करते हैं हम. Yesterday the policemen went to a village. They stopped their police jeep in front of a sweet shop. They saw a thief coming out of the sweet shop. They followed him in their jeep. अब देखिए मैच एंड मेक सेंटेंस. यहाँ पे पिक दे रखी है, इसके सेंटेंस देखने और बनाने. द मैन सेट अंडर ए ट्री. ही टुक आउट मनी फ्रॉम हिज पॉकेट. ही काउंटेड इट. ही पुट 200 rupees note into his pocket. He put the rest of the money in his bag. Okay. Let's enrich our word store. Use this word in the blank below. Picked up, got off, come out, went up. Yes, number 1. The cricketers got off the train. Number 2. Virat Kohli's fan went up to him to ask for his autograph. Number 3. There were bits of paper laying on the ground. The students picked them up. Number 4. The lion was hungry. He came out of his den and went in search of food. Let's write. Imagine you are Mrs. Sue. Describe what you saw. Complete the page given below. Yesterday I went to the market in the morning. I took my umbrella with me. After some time I sat on a bench. It was in front of a jewelry shop. Then something unusual happened. A car stopped in front of the jewelry shop. A man came out and threw a stone at the window of the shop and jumped in. Soon he came out with a bag full of chains and bangles. I quickly pushed my umbrella in front of him. The thief tripped and fell. I shouted, "Thief, thief!" Fortunately, 2 policemen arrived and caught the thief. Okay.